Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. Start by opening selected apps, for example browser, gallery and messages. Then click at the button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of an app. Select Open in pop-up view. So this is the first one, second one, and third one. If you want to see all of them, just click at the bubbles. As you can see, now I can use all of my apps at the same time. But if you want to close any of these windows, click at the top right corner of each of them. Or open background apps and choose Close All. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!